Okay, number 10 of the 100 set. Tiepolo. I think a lot of his work is in the museum in Venice. Battista, Tiepolo. Battista, Tiepolo. 1696, 1770. The last great Italian painter in the grand tradition. We bought a book of Tiepolo drawings, copies from 1948, I think it was, of sanguines, and he was doing sketches of men in tricorn hats and all sorts of characters, and he reworked the same image over and over again, changing detail. So he was a hard-working artist, and as I say, he used sketches to start his works. Sketches there. He did frescoes on the wall. He did pictures. I think a lot of frescoes. Looking at what it says here, there's a number of frescoes. Number 1, I mean, it's an archangel greeting an old lady. I wonder what it actually is. I'll look at that. Number 1. Sarah and the Angel, 1727. From frescoes of a palace. And he was paid by Daniel III. Don't know which angel it is. That's a spectacular picture. I'll look at that. 2. Rachel concealing the idols. Fresco. There were camels in this picture, and that's interesting. Let's see. 4. IV. Hagar and Ismail, 1732. Hagar mourns a dying child. An angel says they might be saved. The angel is saying, drink from the well and you will survive, and the child will survive. Wonderful. V5. Venus with a mirror. So you've got Venus, plump looking Venus, looking into a mirror. I guess it's Cupid with an arrow, I don't know. This cross-hatching here is impressionistic, from a painter from the 18th century. This is a ceiling picture, an oval, and I think that's another fresco. Okay, so I'm learning that he did a lot of frescoes. This picture has a cup of cornucopia, number 9, IV, IX, sorry. Neptune pays homage to Venice, Doge's palace. So Neptune has a trident and has a cup of cornucopia, otherwise known as a horn of plenty, and is paying Venice. There's a lion. They have the winged lions in Venice as one of their emblems. and I think that Venice is represented by a female, because the kings of Venice, the doges, were not female. I think that's what's going on. Okay. Okay, this is a nativity scene, I think. You've got a king, one of the three kings coming to see, sorry, there's three kings coming to see Joseph, Mary and Jesus. Cherubs at the top, a barn. Wonderful. He's a great painter, and that's an incredible picture. Next we'll do 15, have a look at 15. The Banquet of Antony and Cleopatra. That's in Palazzo Labia, Venice. The Banquet of Antony and Cleopatra. Well, I don't think that that's going to be the whole story, because I can't see Antony, and I think because it's looking in one direction, there would have been a companion, opposing pair. I don't know. Maybe it's just one picture from the room. I think this does show Antony and Cleopatra. X1V, sorry, that's not X1V, yeah, X1V. No, it's not. Okay. Last one, XV116. Portrait of Procurator Giovanni, 1750. Okay, so we have a very beautiful painter. Fabulous things. Thank you very much.